welcome back to the channel. Today is a good day. In fact, today's a great day. I'm gonna explain why here in just a second. Because of you. You guys have absolutely knocked it out of the park. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, here's what I'm talking about. Okay everybody, my wife just agreed if I hit 1,000 subscribers, I have the green light to go purchase power tools. We got a little ways to go, so if you have not hit that subscribe button, please subscribe below. Thank you so much. The realistic me thinking, hey, 3 months, 6 months, most likely the time it's going to take to get to that 1,000, because at the time we were 60, 70 subscribers. Within 13 days, we are now past the 2,000 mark. So, an absolute big mahalos to all of you. Thank you for all your support. We are to 2,000 subscribers, which means I get to go purchase my power tools. Very excited, very good day. But more importantly, first, we have an overpass. I will never grow up, and I'm totally fine with that. But I'm gonna need your help today. I need your help with choosing what tools I'm picking up. There's several different packages, individual things, impact drivers, and, you know, brands on top of brands that, you know, I'm not too familiar with. I've always used kind of hand-me-down materials. This is gonna be a very exciting day where I get to purchase my own brand new power tools. So I need your opinions, and we're gonna go take a look at what options we have to choose from. So today, this morning, we're gonna start the day off right and get some sweat on. We're gonna go ahead and hit the gym for a little bit. So no matter what happens today, at least I can go to bed knowing that I've done something productive. We're gonna head there first, and then we'll get on to the fun portion. Looks like we got a Chrysler 300S. Those are cool looking cars. My wife always has said she wants a Chrysler 300 just because it's a quote-unquote gangster car. But that platform's pretty cool. Same platform as the Dodge Charger, just a little more businessman-like. Some cool cars. Okay, we're done with the gym. I actually have a quick thing to do at work, so actually I'm gonna head over to the office quick, get that done, and then we're gonna go to the very well-known Home Depot. But instead of waiting all that time, let's So here we are. We're at the legendary The Home Depot. Or if you're watching it from this way, The Home Depot. And let's go take a look. All right, so we checked out Home Depot. Great selection at Home Depot. Very great brands and a lot of different choices. I never thought there could be that wide of a selection of impact drivers. I guess there is. Got the new Ford Raptor. That's cool. So next steps, we're gonna drive over to Lowe's and take a look at their selection and see what they have to offer. It is bright daylight out, but in order to head over to Lowe's, we're gonna switch to nighttime. So choice number one, Porter Cable, sitting here on the end cap. Get a combo kit. So it looks like you got Black & Decker, Dewalt, Bosch, Hitachi. Thoughts on the combo kit? I really want a hacksaw. And you're getting mad at me. Okay, let's go back to daylight. And we're back. Conclusion, Home Depot by far outperforms Lowe's here. I don't know if it's a Hawaii thing versus a mainland thing, but wow. There's very few brands and offerings at Lowe's. You go to Home Depot, it's an entire aisle, 60 feet of wide variety of power tools. That's just disappointing. I expected more out of Lowe's. It seems like whatever brand I'm gonna go with here, I'm gonna stick with for, you know, the next 10 to 15 years. This is the start of something great. This is the start of something very exciting. Again, you have driven me from 70 subscribers to over 2,000 in just 13 days. For a relatively new YouTube channel, I'm happy with that. Very pleased with that result and really excited about the engagement. I read your comments. I try to respond to as many as possible. So in this video, if you haven't heard anything but this, please let me know in the comments below. Milwaukee, Dewalt, or Ryobi, and why. Okay, so our next stop on the tour, we're gonna pick up some movie tickets. I'm taking my wife on a late Valentine's Day date tonight. We have a 6-month-old as well as 2 full-time jobs. We unfortunately didn't have time to celebrate on Valentine's Day, so we're doing that tonight. Time to go pick up some tickets. Look at this. 35-inch tires. Oh, it's for sale. 5.3 V8, 103,000 miles, 2009 Silverado. What kind of lift kit is that? It's got a giant cone. So he's got a block under there as well as an added leaf. BF Goodrich mud terrains, got 35 by 12.5. So I had the same width of tire, just 2 inches shorter. But those are probably 33s right now because they're worn down to nearly nothing. Not a bad truck, but I'll still take mine over that one.
Yeah, no, don't worry.
Should have come earlier. It's all right. Okay, let's do the 720. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. And another one of those fun things about living in Hawaii. So I had purchased 2 vouchers for movie tickets, but because we live in Hawaii, I have to pay $5 extra. But we're used to it. So if you live in paradise, you pay the price to live in paradise. So if you're ever wondering how it is really to live here, yes, we get the sun, relatively brown skin, but you pay the price one way or another, whether it's buying milk at the grocery store or going to the movies. You pay extra. I actually just ran into the guy that is selling that Silverado. He's selling it because he needs a more practical vehicle. That is my worst fear in the world. I have a 6-month-old. This is practical. I have 4 doors in a way. I have a back seat. We have seat belts. Practical. Doesn't matter how high it is. Still runs, still drives. Right? Right. That's a good looking Hellcat there. That's a good looking car. And there's a Prius. Why am I always getting stuck behind Toyota Prius? There are too many of these in the world. These are like insects. No matter how many get crashed or wrecked because of incompetent driving, there's always more. Always. If there's any vehicle that I hate in the world, that is it. So not a lot of exciting content on the channel today, but don't worry, we have several exciting things upcoming, both with the truck and some other things we are working on that I'm not going to tell you about just yet. Remember, in the comments below, Milwaukee, Dewalt, or Ryobi, who am I taking and why? We will be seeing these tools very shortly on the channel. I'm keeping a very close eye on all of your comments, and I'm very, very excited to head right back to Home Depot and pick up what you choose. Thank you all for your support thus far. We look forward to providing that exciting content for our growing community that we have here on YouTube. So take care, have a great day. Aloha, we'll see you next time.